When the night is long and my strength is gone, I lift my eyes, Lord, to you alone. The world may shake, my heart may fear, but your voice of love is all I hear. When my prayers feel heavy, tears fall like rain, you hold my hand through loss and pain. Though I don't see what tomorrow brings, I rest my hope in the King of Kings. My trust is in you, my hope is secure. You are faithful, your promise is sure. When I am weak, you carry me too. Jesus, forever, my trust is in you. I've walked through valleys, shadows deep, yet your peace guards my soul as I sleep. No weapon formed will stand or stay. Your light breaks through the darkest day. You never fail, you never change. Your love remains through every age. My trust is in you, my hope is secure. You are faithful, your promise is pure. When I am weak, you carry me through. Jesus, forever, I trust is in you. I lay my fears at the foot of the cross. Every burden, every loss. If you are for me, who can stand? My life is safe in your mighty hands. My trust is in you, my anchor, my stay. You lead me, Lord,